How did you know I was at his house last night? Were you following me?
I think I know how Walt gets all bloody now.
This is how I knew.
You bought my car?
7:10 to 9:28 p.m. 2 hours and 18 minutes. But you had no intentions, did you? Not the slightest intention.
Everything that I have done for you.
Oh,
You put a bug on my car?
I'm sorry. After everything you've done for me, what you've done for me, you killed me is what you've done. You've signed my death warrant. And now you want advice? All right, I'll give you advice. Go to Mexico and screw up like I know you will, and wind up in a barrel somewhere.